Well, good morning to you. It's the old Manny here again, and I'm doing an introduction to part 2 of my Moray Firth Harbours series. And in this part 2, I hope to show you Findhorn and Burghead. Now, if you haven't seen part 1, which was Inverness and Nairn, I would ask you to go and have a look at that first. And before we go any further, I'll show you on the map just exactly where we're going to be looking. Okay, in the first video we started off here in Inverness and we saw the marina and the commercial harbour. In the second part of the video we moved on to Nairn here. This, if I've not explained before, this is the Moray Firth, all of this area here. And we'll be working our way along this coast. We're here at Fraserburgh, and then perhaps I'll make it down as far as Peterhead, but we'll see how we get on. So in this video I'm going to be showing you, this is Findhorn Bay here, the village of Findhorn, and then the second part of this video will take in the harbour at Burghead. Okay. Findhorn, I suppose nowadays is not really classed as a harbour. It is, I suppose, in a natural way, but in the 1600s it was very, very important, both to the Moray Firth ports and also the Baltic ports. They came from far and wide to Findhorn. But in recent years, the river Findhorn has brought so much silt and sand down that the bay is now too shallow for vessels, anything more than, you know, leisure craft. So as you probably saw from the video, leisure craft is certainly the way that Findhorn Marina is. As far as Burghead goes, very much a thriving commercial harbour. But anyway, thanks again for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in part 3. Thank you. Never work with animals and children. Yep, I understand that.